Alright guys, you welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how you can export stills or you say images on CapCut. Let's say like me, sometimes I design my thumbnails on CapCut. This is easy. It's just like you're using Canva, right? I just finished editing and creating my thumbnail on CapCut, and I want to export this particular frame, this particular image for my YouTube thumbnail for this video I just finished editing. So I did it on here. This is my background of this video. This background is a video, right? So I just felt like it's a very nice, background. So I just want to use it to do my thumbnail and edit and export for the YouTube. So anyway, let's get straight into it. So how do you go about this? Very simple, very straightforward. You just for some reason, I think for the pro version or the recent update on CapCut, you can really just drag and like adjust this windows. So if you press your cursor or your mouse here, if you see the look right here, it changes to a grabbing hand. So I drag this down. Why am I just dragging this? I need this option. I don't know why it's not somewhere else. If I take it back right here, I can't find it. Even though I try to minimize it to see if I will find it, it's not there. You only see export, and export is not giving you option to export photos only. So I just gonna take it back. I'll show you. Let's look at this trick. So this quick trick is just to drag this down here, and you can use here to export frames. No ways. Did I just discover this right now? Okay, so you say export still frames. Well, I didn't know it's there, so I was dragging this away before. So once you have that, you now see you can give it this name. It's good to give your image or whatever you want to export the proper name you want to use. So I'm just gonna say Lagoon Beach Hotel and Spa Food Review. That's what this video is all about. That's what I did in this video. So you're gonna come here and say resolution 1080p, 4K, 8K, whatever you want to use. I'm just gonna leave it on 2K. Yeah, 2K. Now PNG or JPEG. So sorry, I'm wrong. If you just exporting for your personal use or other things, yeah, you can go higher. But for YouTube don't allow you to use more than 2 megabytes, right? So I just gonna go back to 1080p. Then you say exporting still frames. So export still frames is done already, so because it's just a frame, it's not something heavy. Now once you come here, this is our still. Quality is not that bad, right? Compared to if we did 4K or 8K. Right. So yeah, there you have it. I hope this did help you. If it did, let me know in the comments section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.